Glaucoma. Introduction.
The function of the lens of the eye is to focus light on the retina.
Select true or false.
Correct. If the clear fluid of the eye is not reabsorbed as fast as it is made, it builds up, creating too much pressure in the eye.
Select true or false.
Correct. The angle absorbs the clear fluid as it is made. If it is not absorbed as fast as it is made, it builds up.
In early stages, glaucoma may have no symptoms. Select true or false. Correct.
The purpose of surgery to treat glaucoma is to create enough places for fluid to drain.
Select true or false.
Correct. In laser and non-laser surgery, more places are created for fluid to drain so it does not build up and cause pressure.
Thank you for using Explain.